Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Vercel app. If you want to quickly deploy and host modern web applications, creating an app on Vercel is one of the easiest ways to get started. Vercel is a cloud platform designed for developers and creators who want to build, preview, and deploy websites or applications with minimal setup. It supports many modern frameworks and integrates directly with Git repositories to automate deployments. To begin, open the dashboard on Vercel and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one using your email address or by signing in with a Git provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Vercel dashboard. This is where you manage all of your projects and deployments. To create a new app, click the Add New button located near the top of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Project. Vercel will now prompt you to import a project from a connected Git repository. If your Git account is already connected, you'll see a list of repositories you can deploy directly. You can also scroll to the template section as well. Vercel offers a wide range of templates that are already configured for different frameworks and types of applications. These templates provide starter code, project structure, and build settings, so you don't have to configure everything manually. Browse through the available templates and select the one that best fits the type of application you want to build. Once you find a template you like, click on it. Then here, Vercel will ask you to use any of the 3 Git providers. Select any one of those and click on Create. Vercel will now begin the deployment process. During this stage, the platform installs dependencies, builds the application based on the template configuration, and prepares the project for hosting. You'll be able to watch the progress through the build logs displayed on the screen. These logs show each step of the deployment process and can help identify errors if something doesn't build correctly. Once the deployment finishes successfully, Vercel will generate a live URL where your new application is hosted. Open that link in your browser to see your app running online. From the project dashboard, you can now manage your app by editing settings, adding custom domains, configuring environment variables, or creating additional deployments as you update your project. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.